guts and the skin is where all the protein, well, not the protein, but the nutrients. Like if you watch bears, they'll just strip the skin right off them. That's all they want. Just the skin, all the fats, you know, on the skin and stuff. You're not gonna be able to do that, buddy. Keep eating.